Have you ever thought about what your side hustle could look like in 2026? What if I told you the future of earning extra income is already here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence? Forget the old grind. We're talking about working smarter, not harder, using AI agents that do the heavy lifting for you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you 5 incredible AI-powered side hustles that could seriously boost your bank account. So grab a coffee and let's dive into the future of work. First up, let's talk about content creation. If you've ever tried to run a blog or manage social media for a business, you know how time-consuming writing can be. Now imagine having an AI agent that can write high-quality blog posts, engaging social media captions, and even entire articles for you in seconds. Tools like Jasper or Copy AI are already changing the game. You just provide a topic and a few keywords, and the AI generates well-researched, plagiarism-free content. You could be running a content agency, managing multiple clients' blogs, or building your own affiliate marketing empire, all while the AI handles the bulk of the writing. This isn't about replacing creativity. It's about amplifying it, allowing you to produce more content faster than ever before. Next on our list is graphic design. You don't need to be a Photoshop wizard or spend years in art school to create stunning visuals anymore. Welcome to the world of AI graphic design tools like Midjourney or Canva's AI features. With simple text prompts, you can generate breathtaking images, professional logos, and eye-catching marketing materials. Imagine you're running a side hustle creating custom merchandise. You could type a majestic lion wearing a crown in a futuristic city, and the AI will produce a unique design ready for a t-shirt. For businesses, you can offer services creating social media graphics, ad banners, and brand kits at a fraction of the time and cost of traditional design methods. It's a massive opportunity for anyone with a creative eye but not necessarily the technical skills. Now, for all the aspiring entrepreneurs out there, let's look at e-commerce automation. Running an online store is a lot of work, from writing product descriptions to handling customer service. But what if an AI agent could do it all for you? There are AI tools that can automatically write compelling and SEO-optimized product descriptions for hundreds of items in your store. They can also manage your email marketing campaigns, sending personalized messages to your customers at the perfect time to drive sales. And for customer service, AI chatbots can handle common questions 24/7, freeing you up to focus on growing your business. By 2026, you could be running a fully automated dropshipping store or a print-on-demand business with an AI agent as your most reliable employee. Have you ever thought about sharing your knowledge and creating an online course? It's a fantastic way to generate passive income, but the process can be daunting. That's where AI agent number 4 comes in, online course creation. AI platforms are now emerging that can help you build an entire course from scratch. You start with your area of expertise, and the AI can help you structure the curriculum, outline each module, and even generate the content for your lessons, including scripts and quizzes. It can help you identify what your target audience wants to learn and how to present it most effectively. This lowers the barrier to entry, allowing more experts to share their skills with the world without getting bogged down in the tedious planning stages. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about video production. Video is king on the internet, but creating professional-looking content can be expensive and time-consuming. Not anymore. AI agent number 5 is here to revolutionize video creation. There are AI tools that can write a compelling video script for you based on a simple idea. Then, other AI platforms can take that script, find relevant stock footage, add captions, and even generate a realistic human-sounding voiceover. You can edit videos just by editing the text transcript. This means you can create high-quality YouTube videos, promotional content, or social media reels in a fraction of the time. You could start a faceless YouTube channel in a popular niche or offer video creation services to businesses, all with the power of AI. So there you have it. 5 powerful AI-driven side hustles that are set to explode by 2026. From content and graphic design to e-commerce, course creation, and video production, AI is opening up incredible new opportunities for everyone. The key is to start exploring these tools now, learn how they work, and find your niche. The future isn't about AI replacing us. It's about us leveraging AI to achieve our goals faster and more efficiently. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content on future-proofing your income. Let me know in the comments which of these side hustles you're most excited to try. See you in the next one.